How to save a Snapchat video someone sent you. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to save a Snapchat video someone sent you. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. And then also, if you are not using iOS, make sure first that you have the screen recording app. So if you are using iOS, luckily you have the screen recording app built in on your phone. So go on your Snapchat and go to the chat section right here, and then make sure to click on um, the video that someone sent you before um, you turned on your screen recording app. So for iOS, you may turn on your screen recording onto your control center. So click on this button, and then um, once it starts recording, you may open the video that someone sent you. However, do take note that they will be notified that you are screen recording their video. So press onto their video, and then once it is done, you may leave it. And then, as you can see, there is a screen recording um, notification right here. So do take note that this will also appear on to the sender of the video. So as of now, the only option in which you may be able to save a Snapchat video is through screen recording. So that's it. That's how you can save a Snapchat video someone sent you.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.